I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to find and remove iPhone and iPad backup files from your Mac. We'll walk through two options. The first option is the safest and most direct way to manage your backups because macOS labels them by device name and date for you. Step 1. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac and open Finder. Step 2. Click your device name in the location section of the sidebar. Step 3. In the General tab, look for the Backup section and then click Manage Backups. A window opens listing all the backups stored on your iMac or MacBook. Click to select the backup you want to remove and then click Delete. Click Delete again to confirm, then click OK. And even if you don't have your iPhone or iPad handy, you can still manage these files and remove a backup through your Mac's system settings. Step 1. Open the System Settings app on your Mac. Step 2. Select General in the menu on the left side of the window and then click Storage on the right side of the window. Step 3. Scroll down until you see iOS files and then click the Info I icon next to it. This will show you every iPhone and iPad backup currently stored on your hard drive. Select the ones you want to remove and then click Delete. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete this backup and letting you know that you can't undo this action. Step 4. Click Delete. Any selected backups will be removed from your iMac or MacBook immediately. And finally, before you delete a backup, consider archiving it if it's the last snapshot of an old phone. In the Manage Backups window in the Finder, right-click a backup and select Archive. This locks the backup so it won't be overwritten or deleted by accident the next time you sync. It's a great way to save your data while you clean up the rest of your storage. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.